Still guessing which referral source sends you the most patients? With HelloNote, tracking referrals is no longer a mystery. Just follow these 4 simple steps. Step 1. From your dashboard, go to the Search Navigator. Type referral, and when it appears, click it to open the report page. Step 2. Filter the report using Office, Referral Source, Referral Type, Chart Type. In this example, we'll leave the filters at their default settings. Step 3. Set your desired date range to retrieve the records you need. For this example, let's generate all referrals for the month of May. Step 4. Click Generate Report. You'll see complete information, including office, referral date, referral source, primary insurance, patient's name. At the bottom, you'll find the total number of referrals. Pretty great, right? Fast, easy, hassle-free. That's HelloNote.